In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Coinbase by disabled error. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Coinbase buy option is disabled on your Coinbase account, then this happens due to violation of the user's agreement on Coinbase. Coinbase may restrict access to buy and sell services on a customer's account because of many reasons. Here are some fixes you could try whenever you are going through this error. The first thing to do is to ensure that you are located where trading on Coinbase is allowed. If you are residing in an area where Coinbase trading is not allowed, then you might not be able to buy and sell on Coinbase. Another thing to do is to make sure to use VPN and change your location to enable buying and selling crypto on Coinbase if it is not allowed in your area. Also, make sure that you verified your identity, since without identity verification, you will not be able to buy and sell on Coinbase account. Simply go ahead and download a VPN on your smartphone and connect to an area where Coinbase trading is allowed. Once you change your location to an area where Coinbase trading is allowed, you'll be able to fix your issue. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to ensure that your email password and two-step verification setup is secure. You can also try performing a password reset or change to your Coinbase account by simply going to the top left-hand corner of the main home page and tapping on the three lines. Tap on Profile and Settings and scroll all the way down and tap on Change Security Settings. Simply go ahead and tap on the Change Password button and enter your old password in the first text box. Type in the new password and confirm the new password on the next two boxes, and you'll be able to change your password for your Coinbase account. Changing your password might lift your Coinbase buying disabled issue on your Coinbase account. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever a Coinbase account has disabled buy option. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.